Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Sheena. So today I'm going to be doing an updated brow tutorial. So stay tuned and we will be doing this in a few seconds. Okay, so let's get started. So I always use brow powders. I just feel like it looks a little bit more natural than me using a pencil. As you guys can tell, I don't really have eyebrows. This is tattooed on. When I say tattooed on, is I tattooed on myself, and don't judge me. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Anyway, so as you can see, there's really nothing there. I barely have any hairs. So I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what I usually use, and this is in the shade Granite. So what I usually do is I'll use this brow brush. This is cheap. I got this from a beauty store when I went to Savannah. That's where my husband's from. So I'm going to dip it in here. Just like so. Tap the excess. I'm going to grab my mirror here. And what I first do is, I'm stuck at the old school. I know everybody is into the whole bushy eyebrows, but girl can't do that because you see this? No eyebrows, okay? So this is what I usually will do with mine. This is how I like it, you know. Everybody has their preference, but this is mine. So I usually try to line the inside first. And then I make an outline starting from the bottom. Just like so. And then what I do is I'm going to do the top, and then at this point I start at the end. So I'm pretty much just creating a new line, my fake brows. And then line that part up. And then you can go ahead and start filling in the outer corners. So what I do is whatever I have left on the brush, whatever product I have left, I kind of just drag it towards the inside and blend the line right here so there's not such a harsh line. And then what I'm doing is just flicking that up and just a very light touch here. And then you can always correct it if you want to add more here, which I'm trying to do. And this is how it looks right now. So you can correct your brows, and sometimes I will do that, especially if I'm doing a full face makeup. I will correct it with a concealer. Now, real quickly, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to the other side of my brows. First thing you want to do is create an outline or a stencil for your brows. So what I'm doing here is just creating that line on the bottom of my eyebrows. Next, you want to do is create a line on the top of your brows. And I always like to start from the outside to the inside. So now you want to go ahead and fill it in, starting from the outside, like I said, working your way towards the middle of your brows. So continue working, filling in your brows towards the inside. Once you get to the inner corner there, you just kind of want to flick the brush up. And then at this point, if there's any areas that needs to be filled in, missing any colors, or if you need to add more products to this, go ahead and do that now to achieve the desired look you want. Okay, so I've already concealed and corrected this side so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to do this side just to show you guys how I did that, okay? So we're going to be using Tarte Shape Tape for the concealer to correct my brows on this side. So this is what I use right here. I also use my favorite concealer brush, and this is from Morphe Brushes. I'm not sure if you can still get it on the website. Maybe It's been a long time, and this lasted me I've had this for a very long time. Anyway, so what I do is, I'm just going to put it right here. Just a little bit of the concealer. Just going to dip my brush in there, just a tip of it. Just a tip. And you don't need much, so whatever you have, grab, kind of tap it on the side here. And then let me just get you guys closer to me. So I'm going to turn this way so you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm lining the inside first. And I'm just following that bottom line. Just like this. Okay, so now it looks like this. So then you're just going to grab a little bit more product, and what you're going to do is kind of just drag this concealer down, and you can also turn this into your base for your eyeshadow. You can even tap it, warm it up with your finger just to blend everything so it looks smooth, no harsh line. Just like that. And then now you got your eyelid prime for your eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. This I dragged it all the way down. This one I kind of just dragged it down just a little bit, so I haven't primed this side here. But we're not going to do the whole thing. I just wanted to show you guys how I did that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first one to know when I upload my next video. Until next time, love you guys.